Hi students, in this class we are going to see about star delta starter for 3-phase squirrel cage induction motor. All starter diagram is important. So take a paper and draw the diagram as per my instruction. Draw a 3 parallel vertical line as shown in blackboard and name it as RYB phase. Then erase the top parallelly as shown in blackboard as well as bottom. Then draw a 3 separate winding as a Y shape. Then mark it as starting point and ending point for all 3 winding. First of all starting windings are connected to the separate phase. First winding is connected to R phase, second winding is connected to the Y phase, and third winding starting terminal is connected to the B phase. Now the ending terminals of first winding, if you are connecting first winding is connected to starting terminal is connected to R phase, then ending winding must be connected to the either two phase, Y phase or B phase. Likewise, remaining two winding you have to make a connections. Then you have to take it to two-way switches, triple pole single throw switch. You have to connect in bottom as well as top. Then now we are going to see about working. During the starting 1 or 2 minutes you have to connect it in star connections. Why? Because means starting time the motor doesn't have back EMF, so motor will takes 25 times of rated currents, so the current increases means the heat loss will be increases, I square R formula. Therefore winding means goes to damage. At the same time the supply voltage is also goes to decreases, other equipments goes to damage. Therefore starter is very important for higher power rating induction motor. Now we see the working. During the starting time 1 or 3 minutes you have to put a triple pole single through a switch downwards. Now it is star connection. During the star connection voltage is reduced by root 3 times. So voltage is reduces means starting torque is also reduces. Voltage reduces means starting current is also reduces. Therefore motor is safely rotates. Once motor rotates the back EMF is increases. After 3 minutes you have to change over the triple pole single through a switch upward. Now the voltage is increases. At the same time motor's back EMF is also developed. Now if high current goes means also no problem. That means inside one voltage will enter, the back EMF will oppose that voltage, therefore the current will be reduced. Normally motor reaches full speed. Now this type of starter is manual type. We having automatic type. With the help of relay and timer, automatically the starter will go from start to delta. Then under voltage safety, over voltage safety, overload safety, all those things we in this starter also having. For simplification we doesn't use under voltage release coil, overload release coil here. Now the derivations. We all know the current formula I by Z. So torque is directly proportional to E square R2 divided by root of R2 square plus S into X2 square, like that formula will be there. With the help of that formula we have to find out the ratio between starting current and full load starting torque and full load torque. Therefore TST by TFL is equal to IST by IFL the whole square divided by 3 into SF. This is the formula. The advantages of star delta starter is here no the losses is less, then weight is less, then cost is also low. Only one disadvantage, during the starting time nearly 50% of starting torque is reduced with the help of these starters. Thank you.